All right, so a couple little concerns about this discipline thing. Now, remember, it's not just a one system fits all, and it's not just one thing. I got so many different things on discipline when it comes to boys. But anyway, we're gonna talk about consistency today. So with consistency, we're talking about routine, schedule, and chores. All right, so now with the routine, anytime you set up a routine, it's got to be consistent. You get up, you eat, go to school. These things got to be the same every day. Bedtime, mealtime, it's got to be consistent. Once you develop a routine on the schedule, then you could add chores. You know what I'm saying? Because now when you are consistent with a routine, that builds a certain amount of things. It builds, first of all, security, confidence, structure. Okay? These boys need confidence. They need structure. One way to do that is to have routine, consistent routine. So now you got a routine. They know what they got to do every day. Bedtime is the same every day. Mealtime is the same every day. Okay? We go to sleep, we eat together, all of this stuff got to be the same. Now you add chores in, taking out the garbage. They know what day it is. Washing the dishes, they know when to do it. Cleaning up their room, fixing up their bed. It's got to be consistent. Now, when you develop this, what happens is you put the power on them. You put the ball in their court. My kids knew not to come to me and ask me for much or nothing unless certain things was done. So they knew in order to go outside, my room had to be clean. Homework had to be done. Dishes had to be washed. Garbages had to be empty. So there's no sense in even going to daddy unless certain things are done. You take a lot of the burden off of staying on their back. Do this, do that. You don't need to do that. Put it on them. Whenever they ask for something or whenever they want something, just ask them. Well, did you do that? Was that done? Did you do this? Was that done? It takes the burden off of you and it puts it on them. Then they begin to understand that in order for me to have something, I got to do something. And that's the way it is in life. You know what I'm saying? Childhood is practice for adulthood. A lot of us have missed that. So anyway, with that on consistency, I'm telling you, you got to be consistent. These boys have to have a routine, and you got to follow it. You have to be strong enough and consistent enough to follow the routine. So I'm trying to tell you, it's not that hard, ladies. You know what I'm saying? Now that other thing about the physical discipline, we'll get on that on another day. But just remember, consistency equals routine. Routine equals structure. Structure equals discipline. Y'all have a good one. Let's get this work.